At the moment, over 2 million vehicles produced by Sinotruk are actively traversing through highways, mining sites, construction sites, and urban areas worldwide. In 1930, we embarked on a journey of China's heavy-duty automobile industry. The expertise and technology gained over 94 years of vehicle manufacturing are what we're counting on to prompt us to evolve into a full-scenario transportation solution provider. From facing the frigid area at minus 40 degrees Celsius or the scorching high temperature at 50 degrees Celsius, the overall quality stems from the robust support of every aspect in the entire process. We have a digitalized lighthouse factory setting the benchmark in the commercial vehicle field, adopting the world's most flexible automated production line for commercial vehicles. We have established an impeccable sales and service network spanning over 110 countries and regions worldwide. In the heavy truck industry, we hold a second position globally and stand proudly as the leader in China. For 19 years, we have consistently secured the top position in China's heavy truck export sales. Together, we construct an ecosystem and collaborate with our partners to forge a sustainable development path. Full series of vehicles, full scenarios, global trust. Sinotruk, world-leading full-scenario transportation solution provider.